This is Adam Lamar doing a official unboxing of the long-awaited Soraa Recessed Downlight demo kit carrying case. Brochure envelope. Remodel housing. Mud ring with paint protector. Pops out. Remodel flangeless with a gold trim, no snap. Fixed black trim. You can demo the removable LED module. Black, silver, white snap trims. Adjustable white square flangeless light. Louver already installed in by me. And I'm going to set this down and light up the one of them just to prove that this does light. It's not just a pretty thing to put on a table. So tangerine, or if you prefer a burnt gold trim, might look really good with the black ceiling. Looks better in real life when it's lit than when it's not lit. And you have a space for other snap lenses. One thing in California we like to show is you've got a snap lens, you've got a snap trim, and even during a horrible seismic event, neither one will shake loose. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope even more that you enjoy and get some good mileage out of your new case.